Hey Scrappers, Virginia from the iScrap app here, and today we're going to show you how to use the iScrap app mobile website to report prices in your area. Once you visit iScrapApp.com on your mobile browser, you'll find scrap yards that are listed in your area. Once you scroll down the list and find the yard that you recently sold your metals to, you can select Post a Price. From here, you'll be able to choose the metal that you recently sold from the drop-down menu. Once you've done that, you can enter the price that you were paid at that scrapyard. You can also make sure to choose the right weight measurement right next to it to ensure that you're posting the correct price. If you sold other materials, you can click Add Another. From here, you can search for the type of metal that you sold and also enter the price and weight measurement for that one as well. Once you've done that, you can select Post Prices. From here, you'll have the opportunity to double check your prices and to make sure they're correct. If they're not, you can click Edit Prices, and that'll bring you back to the previous screen where you can make your corrections. Once you've made those corrections, you can select Post Prices and select OK. From here, you'll be able to go back to that scrapyard listing and make sure that your prices are posted. You can always come back to that profile for that yard and check the prices over time.